Hi, I'm Jennifer Morrell with Masonry Magazine's Video News, and I'm joined here today by Grabriel Daigle. He is with Grabriel. Thank you for being with us.
Good morning, Jennifer. Thank you for being here.
So, as the economy has continued to grow and improve, I'm just wondering maybe over the last year where you've seen growth and activity in North America.
I think the growth that we're seeing that's actually coming up the quickest is the one in the Northeast United States, and followed by the, I would say, the Midwest, and then the Western and Southern markets. The market that hasn't suffered too much over the last 5 years is Canada. We've been able to just sustain our production with that market area. Yeah.
Okay, so with your company, a huge initiative for you is safety and training. In this area, what do you have new going on, or what are some important developments that have happened over maybe the last year?
The good news is actually twofold. We actually hired Kevin O'Shea. That's one of the most reputable safety people on the market today. He's actually on the table with ANSI, OSHA, and he's helping the industry in a huge way since the last 4 or 5 years. And Kevin's now with our team, and his important mandate is actually to up the content and quality of all our training manuals. And also, we actually recently joined IPAF, the International Powered Access Federation Group. They've been actually involved with safety over the last 25 years in Europe, and solely that European movement is coming to North America. So we're pleased about that.
So regarding training for the job site, do you have any advice for Masons to stay sharp and focused with their training on using equipment?
That's a great question. What's been happening over the last 4 or 5 years is that guys have actually parked their equipment and haven't been using it. Yeah. And now that the economy is actually turning, people will be actually mobilizing their equipment to the job site. Now beware, the typical reaction will be, let's slap it on the truck and put it out there. Right. You can't do that. You have to go to your training maintenance list. So please contact your distributors, get those yearly checklists, and get the things sharpened and tuned up before you use them on the job site. That's
great advice. Okay, so understanding that the economy has started to turn around and improve a little bit, how can Masons determine rental versus purchase? What's best for them for their particular companies?
I remember talking to you about that last year, and the movement was actually people were in the safety mode. People were renting only for the duration of their jobs and returning the equipment to the actual distributors. Now the economy is changing. There's more work out there. Guys are looking at and actually comparing rental versus actually purchase or lease, and the lease options are really great these days. For the same kind of monthly investment, you could be actually owning that equipment after 8, 9, 10 months. That's right.
That's great advice. So I want to thank you, Grabriel, for your time and for being with us today.
Thank you very much, Jennifer. It's a pleasure.
This is Jennifer Morrell signing off with Masonry Magazine's Video News.